I believe this is a great idea. There is often a lot of information I want to give you, but the viewer does not feel like looking through long videos. They're looking through their phone, flicking through for something short and quick. So what I do is I create 2 videos on the same topic, a long one and a short one. The viewer can pick whichever they prefer. The extra information is not going to help if someone's not going to watch it, but I do provide that information for those who do wish to watch it. So you pick whichever's better for you. You see, my aim is not to win an award for the video with the most number of views. My aim is to keep you safe. Maybe once you've watched the short video, it will whet your appetite to watch the longer one. Who knows? Thank you.